Oh, we've got a good one today. It's a 1968 Camaro Rally Sport Super Sport. Has a crate ZZ4 350 motor under the hood. Has a 4-speed in between the bucket seats. Frame off restored. About 2,300 miles since it was finished. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find a price tag on this one and about 200 other classic cars, all for sale, and each one of them has a monthly payment as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Before it gets away from us, it's a rally sport. It has the hideaway lights, been converted to electric. You know, black has to be straight, and this one looks like it is. Hood fits square and flush. It's the SS hood with the ice cube trays. It is straight. It's like looking into a mirror. Side of the car straight, lines up nice, no rust, no bubbles, no door dings. All clean, straight lines, smooth, just as shiny at the bottom as it is on the top. Door opened real easily, so it's probably going to shut very easily. Shuts real nice, no rattles, all nice, clean. Again, a mirror right down to the bottom. All straight, smooth, shiny. Spoiler. All this it's slick. Now I'm looking at the black paint. I mean, it's literally like a mirror. I'm not going to say there's not a little flaw or a little imperfection here or there, but there's no rust, no cracking, no problem areas whatsoever. It's a mirror finish. The white nose stripe, painted on smooth to the touch. I can't feel it at all. And it has ZZ4. I thought that was pretty clever. And I'm sure when they restored it, all the bumpers and trim and emblems, that was replaced. Windshield's crystal clear. Looks like the trim around it's been replaced. It all looks good. The Rally Sport has this extra trim on top of the doors. That was replaced. Door handles look new. Correct antenna looks new. 15-inch Rally wheels, they're new. All new trim, all nice and shiny. BF Goodrich tires are in excellent shape. It's a white convertible top. It's a power top. The rubber was replaced. It's all in real nice shape. There's pictures of that on our website. Here's like a little bump in the paint right there. In back, the tail lights, the SS gas cap bumper, all that's been replaced too. Weather strips, window seals. The whole car was apart, so that all got put back together with new stuff. So why don't we open it up, show you inside the trunk, the engine. All right, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're posting a lot of content, a lot of great cars. So underneath the trunk lid, this is painted slick. Look at the mirror reflection. And then the hinges and the jamb, that's all real slick. Weather stripping is new. The latch, the sticker was replaced. So we have a brand new convertible top boot. And then all clean metal with a spatter finish. Has the spare, has the jack, the mat, the well liner, the tire cover, the light housings and all the wire harness, even the marker light housings, they all look new. So they replaced a lot of parts when they restored this car. Go to volocars.com where you'll see a couple hundred cars with lots of information, pictures, videos, financing. Jambs are painted really slick. Door latches may have been replaced. Weather strips are new. Door panels, armrests, window cranks, handles, that's all been replaced. Dash area is real nice. See the vents and the knobs and the trim all looking really good. 2,500 miles. That's since the restoration. The speedometer, tachometer, they all look brand new. The clock is working. It's a tick-tock tachometer, tick-tock tack. Heater controls, this whole panel looks new. That is a modern digital stereo. All painted real slick. They have a USB or a port for plugging in your charger. Kick panel speakers. A couple wrinkles in the carpet. Could have done a little better with that. Factory gauges in the console. All looks like it's probably been replaced. First 4-speed. reproductions seat belts. And it has a really nice looking deluxe houndstooth upholstery. Being cloth makes a big difference. You get in a black vinyl in the middle of summer with the sun hitting it, you will burn your bottom. Everything back here looks nice, reupholstered, new seat belts, the side panels. It's a very nice interior. Interior light works. Has the SS steering wheel, very nice shape. Looks like a new mirror, new visors. And it is an all-new wire harness. I found in the glove box is the paperwork for that. That's all been replaced. So that's a ZZ4 350 crate motor. You talked about reliable and a great performer. It has aluminum heads. They put out 355 horsepower and over 400 pounds of torque. Bow tie aluminum intake. You pick the carburetor. So this has a dual feed Holley carburetor with electric choke. HEI ignition system. And they gave it a set of headers. The whole engine bay is clean metal, painted nice. Looks like the hinges were new. The battery's bolted down properly. Has a serpentine belt system on the front of the motor. Upgraded aluminum radiator with the stock style shroud. It's got power steering, it's got power brakes. All looks like it's been replaced. Wiper motor's been replaced. Squirters are hooked up. So a nice looking, but very functional engine compartment. Michael's going to go show you what she's got.
Beautiful day here, top is down, let's go for a cruise. Today it's the 1968 Camaro RSSS. Really cool car. It's got the ZZ4 350 crate engine in it. So it's straight from GM built. 4-speed manual. Nice rotisserie restoration on this one, beautiful. Of course, we got the convertible, bucket seats, console. These houndstooth seats, they've been recovered. They feel real nice. Got good cushion to them. Let's see, got a digital radio here. See, that is in working condition.
Subject to credit approval. Minimum monthly payments required. See customer service.
Then we also got the tic-tac-tock here. You can see the clock is working, which is very nice. Everything about it, just the way the chrome looks and everything, the way the dash is painted. Really liking this car. We'll just give it 1 second here and we'll let it rip. This guy go first. All right, let's see what she's got. All right. Wonderful acceleration, super tight revving motor. Of course, this is a crate engine, so this is not like a garage build or anything like that. So you're gonna have that reliability straight from GM. A turnkey kind of car. Right. I did hear that it sounded like the shifter made a little noise when I was going into second and third there. We'll have our shop take a look at it. I'm sure it's just a minor little adjustment. But overall, fantastic vehicle. A looker too. Of course, you're gonna get the thumbs up and the beeps and the waves and everything like that wherever you go in a car that looks like this. Yeah, I think it's just a little plastic plate. We'll have the shop take care of that. But yeah, if you want to test drive it yourself, I'd recommend it. It's a lot of fun. Come down here for the day and yeah, have a good time with us at the museum. We're about an hour drive outside of Chicago and about a 30-minute drive outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in. But yeah, as I see it, it's a fine vehicle. You're absolutely going to love it. So check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com.
So even up in the wheel wells is gloss black, the whole underneath. So this was supposedly on a rotisserie. And again, all gloss black. Every component was removed. It was all put together, rebuilt. All the steering, the suspension, front and back, it was all redone as AC Delco shocks. Disc brakes in front, e-brake is hooked up. That whole system's been gone through. The fuel system's all replaced. Has a nice custom exhaust, dual exhaust system. You look up at the motor, it's still clean, has a high torque starter, M21 4-speed Muncie trans, and all of that, the trans, the shifter, all those components are nice and clean. It has a 12-bolt rear end in the back, so really well done car, top to bottom. You got a RS SS convertible that's had a rotisserie restoration. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.